channel Mastery of Library. Today I am going to tell you about World Ozone Day. So you don't skip this video and watch till end, okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. September 16 was designated by the United Nations General Assembly as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. This designation had been made on December 19, 2000 in commemoration of the date in 1987 on which nations signed the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. Ozone layer, also called the ozonosphere region of the upper atmosphere between roughly 15 and 35 km above Earth's surface, containing relatively high concentrations of ozone molecules. Approximately 90% of the atmosphere's ozone occurs in the stratosphere, the region extending from 10 to 18 km to approximately 50 km above Earth's surface. In the stratosphere, the temperature of the atmosphere rises with increasing height, a phenomenon created by the absorption of the solar radiation by the ozone layer. The ozone layer effectively blocks almost all solar radiation of wavelengths less than 290 nanometers from reaching Earth's surface, including certain types of ultraviolet and other forms of radiation that could injure or kill most living things. So guys, the next thing is 5 ways to protect the ozone layer. So the first thing is avoid the consumption of gases dangerous to the ozone layer due to their content on manufacturing process. Some of the most dangerous gases are chlorofluorocarbons, halogenated hydrocarbon, methyl bromide and nitrous oxide. The second thing is minimize the use of cars. The best transport options is urban, bicycle or walking. If you use a car to a destination, try to carpool with others to decrease the use of cars in order to pollute less and save. The third thing is do not use cleaning products that are harmful to the environment and to us. Many cleaning products contain solvents and substances corrosive, but you can replace these dangerous substances with non-toxic products such as vinegar or bicarbonate. The fourth one is buy local products. In this way, you not only get fresh products but you avoid consuming food that has traveled long distances. As the more distance traveled, the more nitrous oxide is produced due to the medium used to transport that product. The final thing is maintain air conditioners as their malfunctions cause CFC to escape into the atmosphere. So guys, the World Ozone Day offers an opportunity to focus global attention and action on this vital environmental issue. The theme for the celebration of this year's World Ozone Day to be marked on 16 September is Montreal Protocol, keeping us our food and vaccines cool. Without ozone is like a house without a roof. So save ozone layer. So I wishing you all happy World Ozone Layer. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, support and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in an interesting video like this. Thank you.